Hi everyone, my name's Sunny Dillon and I'm a learning advisor within Skills at Library. We know that a lot of you use Google Scholar when searching for academic literature in your subject. Whilst we strongly encourage the use of the numerous subject-specific databases that we subscribe to through our library search engine, we understand that Google Scholar can be a highly convenient way to quickly and easily find some academic literature on any given topic. That said, when browsing Google Scholar, we advise you to use it in an efficient way through your University of Leeds credentials. Doing so will filter results and bring you back to our library pages for sources that you find in Google Scholar. A key benefit of this is that you will be able to access sources that have been verified as worthy of inclusion in the databases that we at the University of Leeds subscribe to. That's not to say that other results won't be helpful, but that access to them would often require a request, which incurs a financial charge, and that the credentials haven't necessarily been verified. So, do follow this short video to learn how to use Google Scholar with your University of Leeds credentials. Firstly, log into the Google Scholar homepage. Then, click on the 3-bar icon in the top left corner of the screen. Now, select the Settings option, which is sometimes only visible as a cog. On the next screen, click on the third option down, Library Links, on this list on the left-hand side of the page. Here, type University of Leeds into the entry bar. Now, click the magnifying glass option. From the 4 options below the bar, you can leave the Open WorldCat box ticked, but also check the entry box next to University of Leeds. Then, click the Save option. You will now return to the Google Scholar homepage. Here, type words of interest into the entry bar and click the magnifying glass option. You'll now see a number of results as per usual. However, the key difference to how you've been previously using Google Scholar is that you'll now see that some results have a Check at Leeds option next to them, and some don't. The ones you want to focus your attention on at first are those with the Check at Leeds icon next to them. If you want to investigate an item further, don't click on the actual item title as you usually would. Instead, select the Check at Leeds icon next to it. Now you can see that your result has opened up in the University of Leeds library web pages. From here, you can continue to do all the things that you usually would when browsing in this search engine. For example, add items to your personal library, download items, export to your EndNote account, and so on. So, thank you for taking the time to watch this short video on how to use Google Scholar as a University of Leeds student. We hope you found it useful.